Do you agree with me? Amritsar is a vibrant city that carries weight of courage, warmth of peace. It's a place with incredible food, vibrant shopping street, rich culture, patriotism, devotion, sacrifice, and much more. People are so welcoming here. I feel like this is my home. I belong here. This is Atari Wagah Border. Pakistan is just 23 kilometers away from me. Every evening, soldiers from India and Pakistan perform their beating retreat ceremony. So let's enjoy visual retreat together. Oh my god. That was so amazing. I feel everyone must experience this at least once in a lifetime.
पीने का सब कुछ मिलता है, अपनी हवेली के नाम से है। ये हमारा मेन्यू है।
अच्छा,
जी मैम।
Thank you.
लाइव ये किचन दिखा सकते हैं इनको, लाइव और सारा कुछ लाइव बनाते हैं हम।
oh. This is the partition museum. It is good to spend time in the evenings. After the ceremony, I spent some time outside and then headed back to hostelier, where I enjoyed some music and dinner. Good morning. Another day in Amritsar. It's early in the morning, like 5 o'clock. I have come for the darshan. Let's go in. I am not allowed to shoot videos inside the Golden Temple, but I can capture photos from outside. So I did my best, I guess. Right now I am at the Langar. Langar is a free community kitchen where tea, biscuit and meals are served to all devotees. More than 2 lakhs people are fed here every single day. The best part is they don't use any machines to cut vegetables, peel onions, or prepare thousands of rotis. Everything is done by hand. Also, the kitchen is maintained so clean. I am standing at Jallianwala Bagh, a silent ground. There was only one entrance for this entire ground, so Britishers took advantage of that and then started firing without even warning. The bullet was fired at the people from here. Pause here for a second to understand the pain people had gone through that night. These bullet-ridden walls have been preserved as a tragic reminder of Jallianwala Bagh event happened on April 13th, 1919. Many Indians jumped into this well to escape from Britishers' gunfire and sacrificed themselves. In part 2, we are going to explore hop on hop of bus experience and so many amazing places. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Bye bye.